السلام علیکم دوستوں، کیا حال ہے؟ میرے خیال سے بالکل خیریت سے ہوں گے. اور آج کا چیلنج ہم سٹارٹ کریں گے. ہاں تو یہ شارٹ کیوں ڈال رہی ہو؟ دیکھ نہیں رہی کہ میں پڑھائی کر رہی ہوں؟ پھر سے یہ حال ہے اس کا. میرے کان لگتا ہے مجھے اپنے کانوں پہ ہاتھ رکھنا پڑے گا. ہاں کتنا مزہ آ رہا ہے. لگتا ہے مجھے کچھ کرنا ہی پڑے گا. نہیں پر میں نے اپنی پڑھائی، یہ مجھے پڑھائی نہیں کرنے دے رہی. لگتا ہے مجھے کچھ کرنا ہی پڑے گا. واو بہت مزہ آ رہا ہے مجھے سانگ سننے میں. میں تھک چکی ہوں، مجھے گرمی لگ رہی ہے. چلو میں فین آن کر دیتی ہوں. ہاں تو شکر ہے کہ فین آن ہو چکا ہے، میری گرمی ہٹ چکی ہے. شکر ہے. واو ہوا آ رہی ہے. فین مجھے بہت اچھا لگ رہا ہے. مجھے سردی لگ رہی ہے، میں کیا کروں؟ ہاں لگتا ہے مجھے
On! Off! On! I'm shivering. I'll wrap myself up in Emma's blanket. She can freeze. Oh, really? How about we turn this up? You want a war? You got one. What's going on here? Girls, calm down. We can settle this once and for all my way. What do you two say to a hot or cold challenge? Huh? Yeah, all right. Whoa, here again? Awesome. What do we have? Oh no! Broccoli? Tough break for you two. Who actually eats this? I think they forgot to cook mine. Ow! All right then, I can handle this. I am a very strong person. There we go. I'm ready. But how am I going to? Oh, I'll come at it like a popsicle. Weirdest ice cream I've ever eaten. Guess it's time for me to go. Still hot. Gotta blow on it. Ew. No, this is disgusting. Drum roll, please. And Andy looks pretty upset. Oh, why am I so unlucky? Mine are ice cold. They look so tasty. I'm gonna chip a tooth. Time to dig in. Oh, so hot. No worries. Emma again with the fan. Oh no, turn that off right now. Yummy! I think I'll just steal a small... Don't you dare touch my food! Well, that was awfully rude. I have to take a bite. Ow! I could eat a dozen more. Round 3 begins, and the gang is hoping for a tasty little dish. Everyone is happy, except for Andy. Yogurt, great! A nice big spoonful. It's like liquid lava. I'm confused. My spoon's stuck. Cool down already. I've got a plan. If I take some scissors and cut the cup down the side, then I can pull the whole thing out, and now I've got some lovely froyo. Yum! And once again, Emma wins out. I can fix yours, Mary. Here's a straw. We'll stick that in. Why? And now for a fun little heart. Aw, that's so sweet. Now take a taste. So much better. I smell something fishy. Nice catch. A whole fish? Ah, that burned my lip. I can't eat this. Maybe if I flip it? Nope, that didn't help. No, this is impossible. I'll pass. Wait! If I take yours and lay it on top of mine, just like this. Perfect! Now I can take a bite. And it's really good. What am I supposed to do? What do you mean? Are you going to eat it or not? That? Obviously. Don't mind if I do. No. What, this one? Yeah. Oh, no way. But your portion, Emma? I'll be happy to sink my teeth into it. Save some for me. Oh, that's the good stuff. One, two, three. What do we see? I'm clueless. What is it? Good thing I got some of that fish. Only one way to find out. Look how stretchy it is. Doesn't look great. But no, this I'll eat. White and hard as a friggin' rock. Oh no, is it chalk? I like it, guys. It's all squishy like dough. How am I meant to take a bite? Oh my god, my tooth! My tooth fell out! Holy cow, this is a nightmare! Just look at me! Oh, it hurts so bad! Hold on. Just lean back. And... well... oh, it worked! Thanks, Mary. Something new awaits our trio, and it's pizza. Mary and Andy are all smiles, while Emma will be drooling with envy. This sucks. Mary has a steaming hot piece, while Andy's is chillin'. I lucked out this round, actually. The challenge continues. Okay, this time, something icy. Ah, it's still boiling. Doesn't exactly look appetizing. And it tastes weird. Okay, so this is soup, right? So I'll be needing a spoon. Here goes my first scoop of the stuff. Here's hoping it's managed to cool down a bit. I'm chewing. Nope, my mouth is burned. Ugh, no, I'm not faring much better. But if I pull out my handy-dandy scissors again and slice into the bag... Candy! Ow, hard candy. At least you got some. Not worth it. And finally, we've reached the last round, and it's chocolatey. The fates have smiled on me. I'll start with a small nibble. Come on! Oh! The bar is shattered into shards like glass. Goodness! Whoa! How disappointing! Yeah, tough break. Hot chocolate. Looks like that wasn't so much hot, but fiery chocolate. Poor guy took a huge gulp too.
हाँ तो दोस्तों क्या कर सकते हैं। ओ मेरी ज़ुबान, मुझे लगता है पंखे के नीचे बैठना पड़ेगा। हाँ सच्ची में मुझे बहुत सर्दी लग रही है, बहुत ज़्यादा सर्दी है लगता है। ओ मेरी ज़ुबान लगता है ठंडी हो रही है, पर मुझे क्या, मुझे तो अपनी पढ़ाई करनी है ना। ओ सर्दी है, बहुत सख्त सर्दी मुझे लग रही है। सही कहा है ना। हाँ तो यही बात मैंने तुम्हें पहले भी कहा थी कि मुझे सर्दी लग रही है, तुम फ़ैन बंद कर दो। ओ ये क्या हुआ, ओ उस बेचारे का दान देखो, आहा हा। तो दोस्तों अगली वीडियो में आपसे मुलाकात होगी, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफ़िज़। मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और